I'm gonna do a zoom in this one.
Nice picture. Or video.
You're filming too?
I must just stop the recording. Oops. Believe.
Look at that lantern.
Where? Oh, that. Flank.
I mean, it kind of works.
Camera. Wait, that's 3x2. Oops.
I love the way this starts. It just like jerks up and then it.
Does this side have a... No, it does not have a lantern.
We believe Mainco installed this. Jesus. It's worse. Why does it do that? You can. We'll do that again, but we're not going down the basement again. Thyssenkrupp maintains this.
Who installed this?
I'm believing Mainco.
Did I wait to turn on my flashlight? Mid-recording? I think it automatically does it actually.
A beautiful place.
Is it on it? No.
Wow, it's a lot smoother on this floor. It doesn't jerk on the basement.
Oh, nice. No! Lost the recording.
Here's your lantern. Jeez.
Alright, now I'm back. I'm gonna have to cut that.
Bro, what?
I need to learn to not get my finger in my shot. Jesus.
It drops so much there.
Yeah, let's get this. Let's get off this thing.
Epco SSL.
That's what I always push the call cancel buttons because those feel the best. Always in the best.
Signal, but that's on by default.
I question the inclusion of a single signal button. You're just getting a body shot of me. How do you make it turn?
It didn't. Oh, wow, look at that. They're different colors.
What?
Look.
Oh, cool. Also,
I'm going to show you how this place is beautiful.
it's stuck.
There it goes. It's probably going to reopen. Yep. And now, here's a fun fact about this place. There goes, it's into a basement. Here's a really cool fact about this place. Oh, you remember these?
I already forgot about this.
And then that up there. They just flashed.
Do like one of those long flashes?
Yeah. I wonder if those are mechanical horns or...
Let's find out. Typically, if it's black inside, it means it's not electronic.
Alright.
It's that thing.
Alright. And now...
Oh, I knew it's Are these the doors? No, those are finished.
No, I'll show you the old glass elevator that used to be here. There's an airplane coming. Right here. This store used to home a glass elevator. It goes all the way up.
This used to be the concept.
That was the original elevator. Alright, well, that's it.